Hello, I'm Andy and I'm going to read to you a weekly horoscope from the 1st of April to the 7th of April 2018, and this is for you coming from Scorpio. Now before I start, I want to let you know that I charge USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session. I want to say this in the beginning of the program because many people contact me and they are a bit surprised when they learn that I'm charging USD 50. They expect it free of charge. So I'm going to, and I normally mention this towards the end of the program, and probably people don't wait until the program is finishing. So let me say that to you earlier. It's USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session with me. Let's start with Sunday the 1st for you coming from Scorpio. It doesn't start very well for you, and it produces differences with people that you live with or that you are going to be with, whether the people you work with or do business with, or the people you love so much in the form of marriage and family, or whether it's your romance partner. And if you get a romance partner looking for you, a new romance on Sunday the 1st, on Sunday the 1st, that's right, be careful that this person would be bringing some complications as well. Well, the morning-afternoon period, you cannot afford to be arrogant. Otherwise, it's a surefire way of spoiling things for yourself and for others as well. And rather than taking the lead, rather than wanting to be in charge, rather than wanting to make the plans, let somebody else do it, because you are not going to get it right and you're going to be getting blamed for it. So might as well let others do that, and everything will turn out much better for you morning-afternoon period. Evening-nightfall period also not good. In fact, a bit worse. Accidents can take place. You might drink too much. You might say the wrong things. Your behavior patterns, something of a secret nature can be brought up for discussion, and things will really get bad. So upsets are seen tremendously in a bad way for you during this evening and nightfall period of Sunday the 1st. So if you don't have to be out, be in the safety of your own home. If you have to be out, you cannot afford to firstly be arrogant, and stay away from anything that's very personal. Don't insult people, and drive very carefully, and don't drink too much. Monday the 2nd for you coming from Scorpio starts miserably for you. Bad news awaits you at your place of work or in business, and if you're not careful, if you're not responsive to your duties and to what your deadlines are demanding, things will go very wrong, and blame comes in a big way in your place of work or in business. Losses in business can mount very fast, and if you're not careful, you'll see that partnerships can even weaken relationships or partnerships. So it's a miserable morning-afternoon period. What can you do? You'll have to focus on what is important. Emotional planets are there, so they'll make you think emotionally, and so that takes away your focus from deadlines or things like that. And you can miss the deadlines by just daydreaming. So put your shoulder to the wheel. Always repeat these words to yourself: logic, facts and figures. That will take you back immediately to show you that it's a working day, it's not a dreamy day. And that will wake you up, these three words, to get back to get your duties done. Difficulties with people can be there anywhere. So avoid people who are going to distract you and bring even more problems. Evening nightfall turns much better. There's one planet from the evening nightfall who comes to try and help you in the morning afternoon period. But this planet can't stay put, gives you little bits of advice, little bits of opportunity, and moves away. So it's better to stick to what you know than to try to do things that are new or that are beyond your understanding yet in the morning-afternoon period. But I like your evening-nightfall period very much. You can meet people from your past, you can get news of your past, you can have long-term planets forging for you the chances to be a long-term friendship or a long-term romance or long-term goodness for the people you might be who are working with you or doing business with you. So be out and about and mix business and pleasure, and you will do pretty well on this Monday the 2nd. Tuesday the 3rd, much better, and is going to end beautifully for you. You've got 24 hours at your disposal. Morning, afternoon, don't be dominating. That's all I ask from you. Let others take charge, let others plan, be the follower, and you will have a very good morning and afternoon period at your place of work or in business or having lunch with whoever you are going to have lunch with. Just don't be dominating and don't be stubborn. Evening, nightfall, even better. But there's a planet of aggression there, and this planet of aggression makes visits during the morning-afternoon period. So it's a lucky planet for you, but it's just that your delivery of speech and delivery of action may be a little bit too blunt. So take the soft approach in the morning-afternoon period, and take the soft approach in the evening-nightfall period, and you will have a pretty good day. You can meet important people in the evening nightfall, so dress well, be on your best behavior, whether for the sake of making business contacts or meeting people who can give you a better job or some job enhancement, or if you're out with your people you work with, you will also have a good time. Bonding is very possible in all areas of the evening and nightfall period. Wednesday the 4th now, that starts very well. So you will have plenty of opportunities and good news waiting for you in your place of work or in your place of business. Chasing for the romance, get cracking early. And whatever you do, morning, afternoon, you can sway people to get them to come to your side. So in your place of work, be the person who is willing to work with others. In business, share your ideas. You're going to be very impulsively good. That means ideas will come impulsively, which are good. And so communicate with people, show off your qualities. There's one planet of arrogance floating around in the morning, afternoon as well. So be a bit cautious that this one planet can put people off. So don't show arrogance, don't want to take charge, don't want to show off. Do the opposite, be supportive, be appreciative, and let others take the lead and let others share the limelight. And you'll have a pretty good all day, and especially the evening will be repaired, because these arrogant planets want to put a wedge between you and other people who are socializing with you. And if you are socializing with the people you work, don't show arrogance. Thursday the 5th starts very well for you, morning and afternoon. And communication assets and everything you say and do is being watched at your place of work with plenty of good support and good results as well. And if you're in business, you can get the contracts you want, you can make very good business contacts. So perhaps at lunchtime, be busy and go out with the people who matter for you, whether to improve your job or whether improve your business. And the chances of bringing very good news in the morning, afternoon are there. So communicate, ask favors wherever you are. Chase for the romance you want and you'll get good results as well. It is all wide open for you to make use and enhance yourself to have a much better advantage in the morning-afternoon period. Evening nightfall turns really bad. Now this one planet of this group of 3, this one planet is there in the morning-afternoon as well, making you think emotionally, dreamlike, making you feel sad about what's happening, and your deadlines can be affected. So repeat the words, logic, facts and figures when this happens, so that you can come back to the reality of a job and the reality of business. These 3 words are very powerful words. So repeat them to yourself and you'll be able to get out of this emotional stuff. Evening, nightfall, these planets can wreck your evening and nightfall period. Everything can go very wrong. Arguments can get out of hand. Anything of differences between the people you love, or if you're going to be out with the people you work with or the people you do business with, I'd rather you don't, because something wrong said, something wrong done, and things go really bad. But if plans have already been made, tell yourself, don't get personal about anything. Don't get oversensitive. And by doing that, lie low, listen more than you say, and you'll get some advantage in the evening nightfall period. Don't drink too much, because you can be a little bit oversensitive and just want to drink too much. Friday the 6th starts very miserably for you. Things go very wrong. Bad news awaits you at your place of work or in business. Even while driving to work, you can have problems. Even when you wake up, the wrong word said, the wrong word heard can be very upsetting. So you've already heard this from me. So just be quiet. Just tell yourself, have your breakfast, be the most polite person, leave things for discussion for another day or for a later time, and drive carefully to work. And at your place of work, also bad news awaits. And if you are in business, bad news awaits as well. Things can just go very wrong in the morning, afternoon, and even a bit of the early evening period. Such is the energy of this couple of planets. They want to encroach in the evening as well. So don't want to be arrogant, don't want to show your temper, and don't want to be blunt in speech. And that way you won't attract problems on this Friday morning and afternoon. Evening and nightfall improves. There's one planet from the evening nightfall who goes once in a while to the morning to try and rectify it, but can't do much. And so you may find support now and then coming, but most of the morning, afternoon, you will be hard-pressed to get things done. So focus, get your deadlines going, don't be distracted. Bad news will come. Now your Friday evening and nightfall period improves a lot. You can meet business people, you will find solutions where you couldn't find earlier part of the day, and whoever you are with in the evening nightfall period, your enjoyment is much more. There's one planet that tends to make you a bit dominating in the evening nightfall period. Don't let that planet do that. Show appreciation, show support rather than be dominating, and you'll have a much, much better result of whatever you want to do evening nightfall period. Let's go to Saturday the 7th, and that starts very badly for you. Just bad news, feeling cheated, feeling let down, accidents even while you're driving around. And at your place of work or in business, you're going to be hard-pressed, and bad news will come and blame will come. So don't share your secrets or personal things with anybody at your place of work or in business. Just focus on getting things right. Left, right, and center, you'll find trouble coming. And there will be not very much help. You'll have to be on your own. Because even if you get help from others, you may get some people who purposely may get things wrongly for you. So there's hidden enemies in that way. So get everything done yourself, focus on your deadlines. And if you are not working and it's a holiday and whoever you are with don't want to take charge, don't want to discuss things of a secretive nature, otherwise whether from your side or your partner's side, romance partner or marriage side, whatever comes up is going to disturb the morning-afternoon period. So be on your best behavior, be supportive, let others take charge, and you will get a much better deal morning and afternoon. Evening nightfall turns very good, and so what a big change. And you'll meet people you are happy to be with, and whoever you are with, whether you know them or your marriage partner or romance partner, things turn wonderfully nice for you. And you'll be able to enjoy the evening and the nightfall. Mix business and pleasure, because I see some of the business planets are also there. So you can discuss business, you can arrange for improvement in your job by meeting people who may maybe give you some kind of help to get a better job. So mix it all up, be with the people you love as well, and you can have a wonderful evening and nightfall session. One of these planets of the morning would like to be there as well. So be careful, don't drink too much, drive carefully, or this planet can cause accidents by just drinking too much. Well, that's the Saturday, the week for you. Now, as I said earlier, I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute Skype session, and during this 90 minutes I'll use your date of birth and time of birth and look at your palms, which I will ask you to email to me. They come up very sharp and very clear for me. I'll face read you as well while we Skype, and with all that information I will tackle your next 7 or 8 years in all areas of your life, and you'll be able to get the control you want. And so all that will cost you just USD 50 to get your next 7 or 8 years right. Go to Facebook, go to Skype, leave me a message, send me an email, and I'll be able to help you get your next 7 or 8 years in focus and the most beneficial and helpful as well. Until then, thank you and good luck.